Hello children, hope you all are well. Today we are looking at how to use has, have and had. And these has, have, had are called have verbs. What do we call it? Have verbs. As we have already done helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were in our previous sessions. And today we will learn about few more helping verbs like has, have and had. So let's proceed. So let's understand when to use has and when to use have. These have verbs, as we call it have verbs, has, have, had. So these verbs used to show possession. Means when someone is the owner of something, okay, they show a sense of belonging, okay. To show possession, we use have, means have verbs, okay. Like Ali has a car, means here to show something belongs to you. As I have already told you, they show a sense of belonging. Like I have a red car, means I am the owner of this red car. So we use have verbs to show possession. Let's understand the usage of has. We use has with singular nouns like boy, notebook, chair, and with singular pronouns like he, she, it, etc. See, have a look. Has is used with he, she, it. These are singular subject pronouns. And has is used with singular nouns also. So has is used with singular nouns and pronouns. Singular nouns when we talk about one person, one animal, one thing. See, here are examples. Olivia has a beautiful dog. Here you can see there is a one girl, her name is Olivia, and she has a beautiful dog. So this has shows possession, means the dog belongs to this girl, okay. Olivia has a beautiful dog. Here we are talking about one girl, that's why has is used over here. The next one is it has two big eyes. Here you can see this is a toy, and there is a, means there is single toy, there is one toy, so it is used. It is singular pronoun and has is used with it. It has two big eyes. She has a big piano. Here you can see a girl is playing a piano and she has a big piano. Has is used to show possession, means these are have verbs. So has shows here possession, means piano belongs to this girl. She has a big piano. Let's see the use of have. We use have when we speak about more than one person or thing. So children, when we talk about more than one person, there we use verb have. Akshat and Kavya have bicycles. So here you can see these are two children and they both have bicycles. So bicycles belong to the children, okay. So this have shows possession and we are talking about more than one. So have is used with I, you, we, they and plural nouns. See examples. I have a red dress. This have is used with I and this dress belongs to this girl. You have a cute teddy. They have a cute dog. So always remember this table. Like words like he, she, Ali, Alina means any name. We use verb has. Okay, has used with all these words. Okay, also it. Okay, like it, he has a cat, she has a cat, Ali has a cat, Alina has a cat. So basically to show possession we use these verbs has and have. And here you can see have used with they, words like they, we, you, I, okay. Like they have a basket, we have a basket, you have a basket and I have a basket. So has and have, both the verbs used with these words. When we want to show the ownership, okay, to show possession we use these verbs. Now let's do some practice. Here few sentences are given, you have to solve it. Ali has oblique have a book. So what will come? Here we are talking about Ali, and the book belongs to this. So Ali has a book. Meher has oblique have a pencil. What will come? Meher has a pencil. Then I have a balloon. Have is used with I. We have two bags, not has, because have used with we. They have many toys. Okay. Duck has a red beak. We are talking about only duck. Okay. Duck. You have my book. You have, not has. Okay. You have my book. So, has and have are mainly used for depicting possession. Means to show ownership, we use have verbs. But there are also used for many more purposes. Let's learn. So, let's read it. Today, I wanted to go to watch a movie, but I have fever. Okay. So, I have cancelled the program. My friend is also not going as he has a headache. So, children, have verbs also mean suffering from, means when we like feel pain, when we are suffering from fever, so there we use have verbs, like he has a headache, I have a fever. There is one more example. See, he has stomach ache, so his mother is not sending him to school. All right. Now open your English notebook. These are the rules that you have to write in your English notebook. Alright. Now homework, children. From English grammar book you have to do only one page. Okay, this A part you have to do it. This is your practice work, filling the blanks with has or have. Alright. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.